Hello, my name is Olga Gilbert. I'm the author of Happiness the Jewish Way, which is a guide to happiness through the lens of Jewish wisdom. We Jews do not readily self identify as very happy people. Sometimes when we say, oh, it's just my Jewish happiness, we mean the actual opposite of what we say. But did you know that in 2010, a major survey ranked Jews number one among all other faith groups in America in well being and happiness? That surely warrants a closer look into Jewish wisdom on this subject. And we all understand that happiness is a very pleasant feeling, but Judaism teaches us that it's not only desirable, but essential and is actually one of our goals in life as humans. The Torah says that happiness is a mitzvah, it's a commandment. It means that God wants us to be happy. Moreover, and more importantly, it means that everyone can be happy if that's what's asked of us. It also means that we don't need to suffer to become holier. Actually, Judaism tells us that we need to be the happiest we can be to reach our potential as humans. In the talk, I would like to discuss how Judaism teaches us to be happier people through its three pillars: moderation, sanctification, and celebration. I also would like to share one or two Torah stories and Jewish folk tales that show how to be happy even under difficult circumstances. I'm looking forward to talking and boosting the audience's interest in re examining Jewish identity, in Jewish learning, and in becoming the people for whom Jewish happiness means actual true joy. Thank you.